I've always wanted to be in, working in a factory, that sort of thing, overlooking production and operation as well, because I think it's very exciting to see, how food is being made from, raw materials to what you can buy in supermarkets.
With sort of project engineering, it's everything from project management to going down with some spanners to take a bit of machinery apart. Because we've sort of got that overview of the plant, we need to know what the plant does, so we need to know about malt and malt ingredients. So sort of brought in my interest in biology as well as engineering.
My father's worked here for 50 years, so Muntons is kind of in my blood. Just for my 19th birthday, I started in the flour mill. I was on shift for about 10 years and eventually worked my way up into a sort of management leadership role. I was then put on an apprenticeship to learn even more skills. So far it's been going really well.
One of the very exciting things about Muntons is that they have a huge amount of flexibility in terms of your growth and your opportunity as well. So I also have an opportunity to be a manager.
Managing my own project at 19 I think is a big achievement. With some of my friends that are on apprenticeships, they're just making the teas, doing the paperwork, but I'm here, I'm doing the job, I'm getting hands-on experience.
So when I first started I was quite shy, sort of withdrawn in myself, and over the years with the support of a good manager I've come out, and it's just the people really that they're making what it is.
The atmosphere is like, I was really encouraged to ask a lot of questions.
The people here are so knowledgeable, they're so willing to share, they love what they do and they enjoy sharing it with people that show an interest in what they do.